LiPo shim. We've wired the positive and negative leads. I've been using these pin-based, see if we get to focus, these pin-based connectors, because they're nice and easy to push through previously soldered things. And once I get them on there, they're actually bendy, and I can put shrink wrap over it, so it seems like it's a nicer solution so far. So here I'm going to wire this one here, which is the battery low signal, into the battery low signal into this little guy, which is the number 0 port, which translates on this schematic thing here, 0 goes to what is internally analog 2, which in our software, analog 2 is our low battery white wire from LB pin on the power boost. So this is when I was setting up the power boost. Again, I'm switching to LiPo shim, but yeah. So yeah, okay. So we're gonna wire that in, and I'm pretty sure on the LiPo shim, EN is enable, which means we're gonna be wiring the enable wire, this yellow one, in here. So we'll have EN there, and we'll have low battery right there. So it'll kind of look like that when we're done. And then the battery connector goes in here, and then this thing's cool because what it does is it takes a 3-point-something volt or 4-point volt, which, so this guy puts out 3.7 volts. This thing steps that up, or boosts the 3.7 volts to 5-something volts, so that the where is it? So that the Raspberry Pi connector is down here. We'll get a nice 5 volts, and then if that voltage starts to drop on the battery, this low battery signal here pin will send a high to our, or higher, well, I think it's high, to our Arduino. Our Arduino then can send a signal here over this wire to our Raspberry Pi program to say, hey, you need to start shutdown sequence now. And then 20 seconds will pass, and then this guy will send a signal over this wire here to tell the LiPo shim, shut off. And then that will cut power from here and here, and our Raspberry Pi will turn off. The other condition that can turn our Raspberry Pi off, of course, is low light. And so what we've done in the program here is we said, if the light value is under our threshold for 10 seconds, we're going to send the Raspberry Pi the, hey, you need to start your shutdown sequence. And then 30 seconds or 10 seconds later, 20 seconds later, it's going to cut the power on the Raspberry Pi in an attempt to save battery. The idea here is that we want to keep the Arduino trinket here, which runs on 3-point-something volts, happily. We want to keep it alive overnight on this battery, such that in the morning, when the sun comes out again, and our light sensor is like happy, and our light sensor is happy for at least 10 seconds, then it's going to set the, I need to tell the Raspberry Pi to turn off signal to low or off. It's going to tell the relay to give power back to the Raspberry Pi, and it's going to make sure that our little red LED on our trinket here is off. And at that point, Pi should start up. The video camera that it's plugged into should start being able to record again. And my desk is a mess. But, baby's asleep still. Yeah, so we're good. All right, it's kind of fun. It's very fun. It's a good distraction. Bye.